Guys, didn't we send that brand new IIM to the Bros Tint shop in Nanjing yesterday? And while we were at it, picked up another Bros bike, his friends. A Honda ADV750. This bro was chatting with me yesterday. Said he's basically bought every bike out there. Stuff like, brand name unclear, BMW. He's even ridden flagship sport bikes like these. Last year he bought a T-Max 560 and modified it heavily. Then sold it right after finishing. The bro said, I'll trust you guys one last time. And I don't mean just me, Zhang Yuanan. Not just my shop, MTZ. This is the last chance for China's whole modification industry. Because in the past, modification work has left bike owners extremely frustrated. This owner didn't even use Douyin before, and didn't know about our shop. It was later through the IIM owner that this 750 owner got referred to us. Then the owner said, I watched your videos, and you guys seem pretty professional. Is that really the case? I'll give you guys a test. Modify this ADV750 of mine. If you can pull it off, we'll keep working together. If not, I won't hold out much hope. As you can all see, these are the parts around the front here. The exhaust system, intake system, braking system, all upgraded. Some parts haven't arrived yet. Once they do, we'll move on to phase 2 of the upgrade. The bro also said something. This bike's 58.5 horsepower is too weak. I don't think I'll be riding it for long. I'll probably end up selling it. Alright, next up we're going to start upgrading this brand new ADV. Guys, this Honda ADV750 from Taizhou, Jiangsu. Phase 1 of the upgrade is now complete. For this brand new bike we put together 15 upgrade items, with total cost coming to over 30,000 yuan, all from well-known brands. AK exhaust, K&N high-flow air filter, Brembo brake master cylinder, HEL racing steel braided brake lines, AP high-performance brake pads, plus a titanium crash bar, and auxiliary lights, among other things, a very rich lineup. Right now this is just phase 1. Later on we'll also upgrade the brake discs, wheels and tires. Guys, for the ADV's upgrade, do you have any good suggestions or ideas? Feel free to discuss in the comments. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more knowledge about bikes.